Hi, my name is Peter Heath. I'm the Senior Manager for Training Programs at CENGN, and I've got a question for you. With all the different vendors offering self-paced training and certification programs, why would you choose CENGN Academy? Well, first of all, CENGN Academy develops engaging e-learning courses on the cutting-edge cloud and networking technologies that are reshaping our tech world. CENGN Academy also provides enhanced learner support with professional instructors who will guide and assist you and validate your learning in each course. On top of that, each CENGN Academy course culminates in a digital badge exam. Moreover, CENGN Academy courses include hands-on labs hosted on CENGN's unique cloud platform. These hands-on labs enable you to hone your skills and learn best practices by applying course concepts to real-world scenarios. And in this way, you'll develop the practical cloud networking skills you need to prosper and work in a cloud-centric world. CENGN Academy's myLab service makes accessing your lab environment through a browser really easy. You'll receive a course enrollment email with access details like the myLab URL, your username, and your password. Oh, and by the way, we employ two-factor authentication, so please make sure you have Google Authenticator installed on your smartphone. Next, you're going to browse to mylab.training.cengn.ca and enter the provided credentials. The first time you log into myLab, you'll see a QR code displayed in your browser. So you're going to take your smartphone with Google Authenticator, you're going to scan that QR code, and then you'll get a 6-digit access code in Authenticator. You're going to copy that and put that into the designated field in your browser. And then you'll be all logged in. After you've logged in, go to the All Connections section of the home page and click on the plus sign. And you'll see a list of all your myLab nodes. Just click on the one you want to work on. It'll pop up in your browser. You'll be able to start executing commands or working on the GUI. It really is as simple as that.